Did you know some ocean animals have real superpowers? Today we're diving deep to discover the most amazing sea creatures and their incredible abilities. Parents, grab your little explorers. This underwater adventure is about to begin. Hi! Welcome back to Kids Step by Step. And today we're exploring the ocean's most incredible animals. From sharks that glow in the dark to whales that can talk across entire oceans, these facts will blow your mind. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for more amazing science adventures. Let's dive right in. First up, meet the Megamouth Shark. This gentle giant has a superpower that sounds like science fiction. When it opens its massive mouth, special cells called photophores make it glow like an underwater flashlight. Scientists think this glowing mouth attracts tiny sea creatures, like having a built-in dinner invitation. The Megamouth Shark is so rare that only 300 have ever been seen by humans. That makes them rarer than pandas. Imagine seeing one of these amazing creatures while scuba diving. You might feel a bit nervous at first, but remember, they're only interested in eating plankton and small fish. So if you're not food, they won't bother you. Next, let's talk about bottlenose whales and their incredible communication superpowers. These amazing animals can send messages across hundreds of miles of ocean using special sounds called echolocation. Play sample whale sounds. Listen to this. That clicking sound can travel further than the distance from your house to the next city. It's like having a phone that works underwater without any towers or wires. Scientists are still discovering new whale languages. Imagine if we could learn to talk to whales. Maybe someday we'll be able to chat with whales just like you chat with your friends. Who knows what secrets they could share? Now for the whale shark, the ocean's biggest fish, but also one of the gentlest. Even though they're huge, bigger than a school bus, they only eat tiny creatures smaller than your fingernail. Their mouths can open wide enough for a small car to drive through, but they use special filters to catch microscopic food. It's like having a giant vacuum cleaner that only picks up the tiniest crumbs. Scientists believe whale sharks travel huge distances each year, maybe even circling the whole globe. That's a lot of ocean to explore. If you ever see a whale shark, it would be an amazing adventure. The deep ocean is like outer space right here on Earth. Down there, it's completely dark, freezing cold, and the water pressure would crush a car like a tin can. But amazing animals have adapted with incredible superpowers. Some animals have big eyes to see in the darkness. Others have tough shells to withstand the crushing pressure. There are even animals that create their own light with bioluminescent jellyfish. Imagine being able to make your own light show underwater. How cool is that? Scientists are still discovering new deep sea creatures, and it is exciting to think what other superpowers might be out there. Who knows? Maybe there are animals that can breathe underwater, walk on the ocean floor, or even talk to each other with bioluminescent colors. We've only explored 5% of our oceans, so there's so much more to discover. That's a lot of ocean left to explore. It's like having a whole other world right here on Earth. Let's review our ocean superpowers. Megamouth sharks glow to attract food. Whales communicate across vast distances. Whale sharks are gentle giants with amazing filters. Deep sea creatures have adapted to extreme conditions. These aren't just cool facts, they show us how animals adapt and survive in different environments. That's called evolution, and it's happening all around us. Which ocean superpower amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments below. And parents, If your kids loved learning about these incredible sea creatures, we have tons more ocean adventures waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Kids Step by Step for more amazing science facts that make learning an adventure. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest discoveries. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.